Hi, spring is here. The flowers are in bloom and the birds are out. There is beauty all around us. It is a great time to be taking pictures. The camera on the latest iPhones and iPads are amazing. They are so good and convenient that I know many professional photographers who occasionally use them instead of their $5,000 to $10,000 professional cameras. With millions of pictures and videos being taken every day using smartphones and tablets, film is only being used by the hobbyist. In this video, I'm going to show you several ways to open up your camera quickly so you can capture that spontaneous moment, and so you don't have to unlock your phone or tablet when handing it to a stranger. Our smartphones and tablets have made it so easy to take pictures and videos that practically everything is being recorded. Everyone is becoming a professional photographer. You can easily take and quickly capture a beautiful sunrise or a sunset, a relative's graduation, a parade, a goal being scored, that bird singing, and even an annoying squirrel or leaky pipe. Some pictures seem so spontaneous, you wonder how anyone could have captured it. Have you ever been on vacation and wanted to ask a stranger to take a picture of you, but didn't want to give them your unlocked phone or tablet? There are many ways to access the camera on your iPhone and iPad. Some of these also work on Android phones and tablets too. I especially like methods 2 and 3 below because they enable you to quickly open the camera without having to unlock your phone or iPad and searching for the camera icon. They also enable you to hand your phone to a stranger to take a picture of you without handing them access to your unlocked device. Here are the most common, easy ways to quickly access your camera on your iPhone and your iPad. The first and most obvious is the camera icon on the home screen. The second is the camera icon on the lock screen. And for some reason, this is only currently available on the iPhone. The third is on the lock screen, sliding the screen from right to left. You can also access your camera from Control Center. I did a whole video on Control Center, and the link is below. And then there are many apps that also access the camera for use within the app. Some examples are FaceTime, Zoom, Snapchat, WhatsApp, Instagram, and many more. I'm going to demonstrate these now for you. So, as I mentioned, there are several ways to get to the camera quickly. The most common way to get to your camera is using the camera icon on the home screen. So to do that, you unlock your iPhone or your iPad, and you find the camera icon and tap it. And now you've got your camera open. Here's the second method. So from the lock screen, I can get to the camera, and for some reason this is only on the iPhone. I haven't seen it on an iPad. But the lock screen is a screen that you see just before you unlock your phone. It's the one where you can see the time and the day and the date. If you have a home button, press that. Otherwise, just tap the screen. And there is my locked screen. I'm not at the home screen yet. And I just press on the little camera icon down here in the right-hand corner. And it's opened up the camera. So the third method is to slide the screen, and this works on both the iPhone and the iPad. You don't even have to unlock the phone, which is why it's called the lock screen. I can tap the phone or the iPad, I wake it up, and then I just slide from right to left, and we get the camera. And the nice thing about this method is I can get to it very quickly. I don't have to fumble with unlocking it. I don't have to fumble to find the camera icon. And also, my phone is still locked, so if I hand it to a stranger to take a picture of me, the phone is useless to them. The phone or the iPad is useless to them because they can't unlock it. Any pictures that are taken when the phone or iPad is locked, you can view, but you cannot view any other pictures. And then, in one of my previous videos, I showed you how to use Control Center, and you can get to your camera in Control Center if you have it set up. And you would wake your device, you swipe in and down, You look for the camera icon and you tap it. And depending on your settings, you can use this from the home screen, or if you have disabled it, you would have to unlock the device, and then you can get to Control Center. And then there are many apps that also just use the camera, which will open it automatically, and how you get to them just depends on what app you're using. For instance, you can use Instagram, or you can use Snapchat, or you can use FaceTime. And there are many other apps that use the camera. If you like this video, please leave a comment, hit the like and the subscribe, and have a great day.